I hope they continue.
Me too.
Mahalo, Pete, or if not, go back on vacation, bro. Welcome back, Pete, and we want to welcome back the president and CEO of the Friends of ʻIolani Palace, Miss Paula Akana. I still get nervous when I see her for some reason. She's such a legend.
The best of the best.
Oh, man. Okay, before we get into Kamaʻaina Sunday, how's everything at the palace? How's things going?
It's doing okay.
Yeah?
Good. We are finishing, the roof is like just about finished.
Oh.
Final touches in the next week or two, and it's all power. And then we start on the next projects.
Yes, yes.
There's a lot of them.
She always needs an uplift. Every beautiful lady needs
Actually,
an uplift.
It's a facelift. It's a full on some of it. But,
She's getting her goods all taken care of.
But she deserves the best.
Absolutely.
100%.
Agreed. Yeah. Now, before you jump into the activities and the cultural workshops, can we go ahead and talk entertainment?
Yes.
Because we heard it's another stellar lineup.
Oh my gosh, we're we usually have like 2, maybe 3 groups, but we have 4.
Oh,
More and
wow.
more people want to come and perform at the palace, so we're really, really excited. We have ʻIwalani Apo and Friends, which will be wonderful. Kamehameha Middle School Papa doing ʻoli and Mele. That's with
our kikis.
Kamaʻaina Sunday, which were really great. Uhe Uhene,
that's
which is
sassy.
always awesome. And then Coombs now with Lani Kilakasupang and Carl Vito Baker. So that's going to be a stellar lineup. That's from 9 all the way till like 1:30.
And this is all part of, is this the kukulu that
Yes,
grant?
part of it is with HTA's Kukula Ola grant, and then part of it is with Hawaiian Native Corporation.
I love it. Thank you to them guys for bringing in
Oh, it's
Kamaʻaina Sundays over at the ʻIolani Palace. And then we have this amazing display here. Please, ʻUmi returns this month, right?
Yes, actually, he's going to be the next 3 months, and so we'll be able to talk story a little bit more about him as we go on. But he decided to do something a little different. So this is Kui Lauoho, or hair picks. But if you look at this, this is a fish bill.
I know.
Right?
I felt it so rough.
And this is wood, but it's hard to go close. But anyway, it's beautiful.
This
the fish bill.
Oh, wow.
So it starts off and it's rough, and then it's sanded
and then they're
down.
Going to sand it, and then he'll talk a story about it. And that class is from 9 to noon. First come, first serve. Only 20 people.
Wow.
But it's manuahi. It's free, which is what we really want these classes to be. And it's thanks to HTA and the Kukula Ola grant for allowing us to do that.
And I just have to say, I'm sure that some of the kani are like, oh, I know more long hair, I don't need that. But that actually makes a beautiful gift for a woman that has long hair to be able to just boop, boop, boop.
And I do know some kani who have beautiful long, long manes of hair. So.
Not me. I'm holding on over here. Holding on to what I got.
Whatever gets ya.
And of course, we have free tours for Kamaʻaina. So,
yes, talk about that.
That's from 9 to 2, and it's Kamaʻaina are free. We can go up to 500 audio tours, and it's a great time for people to come in and just visit. And I would tell people to come, especially this month, and to enjoy the basement, because it may be closing for an extended period of time for some big construction projects that we're working on, like putting in a new elevator and doing all this other things. So, the basement gallery has the Chamberlain's office, it has the jewelry, it has the royal orders, and it has the Bartels Gallery, which is on Kamehameha, is on Kalakaua. It's an exhibit. So it could be the last month of that for a while.
Oh, we better go.
Yeah, so we gotta go. That's coming up this Sunday, yes?
Yes, this Sunday.
Beautiful.
Second Sunday of every month, rain or shine.
We have all the information up on the screen. Paula Akana, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to share this with everybody.
We see you next month.
Yes. Yes.
All right, Ms. Paula Akana, the president and CEO of the Friends of ʻIolani Palace. We're going to take a quick break, but before we do it, did you know today is National Dentist Day?
Oh my.
Yeah, so here's our Yuso Akamai question. How many gallons